happened? Should I call somebody? No, man. You gotta finish the work. You gotta do it. I can't. I need you. Be a man like I told you to. I can't do it. I can't do it. No, don't go. Don't go. No. 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 Why? Why, Jerry? No. No. Is anybody there? Ah!
Today we mourn the loss of Jerry. I thank you all for attending his service. I will now hand the last words over to his best friend, Barry.
Man, Jerry was my best friend in the whole world. He was a great dad. He was a great husband. He was the best friend a man could ever ask for. And I told him to put the safety on, and he wouldn't do it. I miss you, Jerry. We all miss you, Jerry.